Hey, are you fat? It's okay if you are. You're still beautiful. Maybe. Are you tired of being bullied by a super buff girl at your school? Then watch this video. Now, if you look up weights on Google, you can clearly see that weights aren't exactly the cheapest. I mean, it's $400 or $500, sorry, for dumbbells. $3, incredible. 3 pounds, nice. Like 139, 220, fucking $3,000. But now, if you look up chairs, oops. Now, if you look up chairs, you can clearly see that everyone could afford chairs. Except if you're buying them on Wayfair, of course. Like, what the fuck? $1,266 for seat of death. Yeah, of course. Now, you can see chairs are cheap. Or Rift chair, what? $2,450? And what the fuck is this? Is it even a chair? What is this? $1,247. Cocoon balloon chair. Fucking $10,000. And 1,000. Oh, maybe I'm wrong, but that's beside. What is $83,000? $17,000? What the fuck? Are these real polar bears, babies? I gotta look this up. I have to look at this. Sorry. What the fuck is this? Shut. I'm an interior designer. Yes. Yeah. Shut.
What is this? Are these actual babies? This plush baby bear. They're not even real. Why is this $17,000? Something? What the when the are these even chairs? What the fuck is this? This is so far from being a chair. Handmade in Italy. Oh no, that makes sense. Yeah, $83,000.
I'm recording, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. The chair? You want the pig chair now? Alright.
Put it on me, boy.
You want me to put this on you? Alright. This isn't safe. How do I put this on you?
Figure it out, strong man. Go ahead, Nick. Okay. Alright, go. Go. Look. Alright, let's go.
Oh my god.
Terrible idea.
This is a horrible idea.
fuck.
Oh my god. How is this even a work? You're yeah, get out. I'm just the cameraman. I'm not I'm the cameraman. I'm not supposed to do anything. Oh my god. You just go up and
Oh god, this is burn. Feel the burn.
the epic elevation. Alright, now twerk.
I am.
Twerk. I'm gonna stand back. No, point it up. Oh. Is that it? Yo, don't point it at me. No, calm down.
Exactly, wear a mask.
Fucking grass.
Throw it that area, it's harder. Go! Don't step on it. Yay! Yes. Okay. Wait, don't! You're crazy. Throw it at that, like the rock place. Here you go. Let's go over there. We are doing science, guys. This is science stuff. Go. Okay. Did you miss? Okay. Go. Wow. How was that? Here, tell us your experience. What did that feel like? Yes. Okay. Throw at the wall.
Shit.
Your shit. Throw it harder. Like, throw it harder. Manpower. Wait, no offense. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah.